Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. This is Seah, Asia #1 home-based business coach, speaking to you from my home-based business office in Singapore. And this video is how to turn $970 to $10,000 or more in 90 days challenge. How to turn $970 to $10,000 or more in 90 days challenge. So this is a challenge, right? And your commitment is $970 and it's only available in Singapore. I'm looking for events organizers to make it available in many countries, but right now it's only available in Singapore. So you have the first mover advantage if you're living in Singapore. So for $970, it's never the price, it's the value. I'm giving you $100,000 value. And it could be worth $1 million to you because you learn how to earn your first million in network marketing. Because 50% of the 2-day Create Wealth System seminar will be on network marketing, and it will be generic. I won't be promoting any network marketing company. After the training, you can choose to join any of the top 100 MLM companies, 100 network marketing companies. And the other 50% will be on $1 million lessons on business and life that I've invested over $100,000 to learn. That is why I say it can be worth $100,000 to you or $1 million to you, depending on what you do with the knowledge you've gained from this 2-day Create Wealth System seminar. Because over the years, I've attended so many seminars, invested over $100,000 in the gold mine between my years. So are you willing to invest $970 in the gold mine between your years? And this is one of my mentors and coaches, Jerry Robert, the millionaire mindset. How ordinary people can create extraordinary income, right? And it all starts with the mind. You can only achieve what you believe you can achieve. And he's very close to me because he inspired me to publish my first book, Break Free, There is a Better Way to Earn a Living. So he's my senior. I'm 66 years young. Most probably he's around 76. So now I want to share with you that for a very small one-time investment of $970 and to take away your fears, I give a 90-day risk-free 100% money-back guarantee. I'm the only international speaker that gives a one-page black and white agreement. You sign, I sign. So clarity is power. So the condition is very clear, and that if you do not earn double of $970, I happily return you your $970 because I know you will not fail when you work the system. It takes two to tango. When you work the system will work for you. And we are talking about a brilliant, proven, and very effective marketing system. So my 2-day Create Wealth System seminar is based on love, wisdom, and integrity. That's why it's so powerful. Love, wisdom, and integrity. The greatest power on earth is love. And we have heard many times, God is love, love is God, and God is wisdom and integrity too. So I work on this basis, and I've been sharing this in so many times in my other videos, that integrity is the foundation of your business and your life. And trust God to give you the best definition of integrity. More importantly, it is His great commandment. So in everything, do to others what you would have them do to you. For this sums up the law and the prophets. Matthew chapter 7 verses 12. If the world leaders obey God's great commandment, we would have peace, prosperity on earth. Got it? So always remember, treat people the way you want to be treated. Respect, because everyone is a child of God. So we must respect people. And then this is so interesting because I don't take it out of the blue. It's based on my 30 years of network marketing and my 24 years of digital marketing knowledge and experience. So even if you don't have a cent, you can be my free affiliate and promote a 2-day Create Wealth System seminar, and you enjoy 1-tier affiliate commission. That means every person that you introduce to me or to my leaders, you earn $350. times 3%, that is $1,050. More than enough for you to participate in the 2-day Create Wealth System seminar. And when you do that, you have a 2-tier payout. That means the free affiliate, you only have 1 tier because you're not part of the system. You didn't commit to the 2-day Create Wealth System seminar. And when you commit, you get a 2-tier payout. You get more. So the second tier payout is $100. So if you brought 10 people because you want to earn 3,500, 10 times 350 is 3,500, and your 10 go and get 10 because they want to do the same. This business is duplication and multiplication. So 10 times 10 is 100. 100 on your second tier times $100, that is $10,000. Now you can see why I put the figure $10,000. How to turn $970 to $10,000 or more in 90 days, and this is a challenge. So take the challenge. There's totally no risk to you. I give you a 1-page black and white 100% 90-day money back guarantee. Do what you're supposed to do and you'll get what you're supposed to get. It's no different from a job, right? When you apply for a job, there's a job agreement. The boss will tell you these are your job specifications, these are the things you must do, and you turn up 9 to 5 for 5 days. At the end of the month, you deliver what you promised to the boss will pay you your salary. And that is earning money with no money. And that's the same with my free affiliate. If you don't have a cent, you can participate, but you're not part of the system. You want to earn the second tier, you want to earn more, then commit to the 2-day Create Wealth System seminar program. Then you have the confidence, the enthusiasm, the belief, because you experience the product. And what is the product? The product is basically personal development and business education. 50% is to attract millions of network marketers out there. They want to take their business to the next level. So it's generic, proven and tested success principles based on my 30 years of experience I'll be sharing with you. And you want to earn your first million in network marketing, you learn from someone who has done it. And also I invested over 100,000 in the gold mine between my years. So the next 50% will be $1 million lessons on business and life that I've invested over 100,000. So you leverage on my 30 years of network marketing and 24 years of digital marketing knowledge and experience. And for digital marketing, I invested over $10,000. So I'm putting lots of value on the table for you. So this is my irresistible offer to you. Irresistible offer. It's an offer that's packed with so much value, benefits and advantages. You want to grab it now. Like my business and mentor Peter Donnan, bless him, he has passed on. At his closing, he always made this statement: if there's so much to gain and nothing to lose and you don't do it, who is the fool? So I know this will hit a nerve or two. I'm speaking to those who are dissatisfied, who want more out of life, who want more money, more time, better health and a better relationship. It's a package deal. If you lack money, you lack time, and you have health challenges, it's tough to have a good relationship, isn't it? So for those of you who are very comfortable doing what you're doing, this program is not for you. Right? That's why I always say that different strokes for different folks. Not everybody wants to be a doctor, dentist, lawyer or accountant, isn't it? So if you're happy doing what you're doing, continue to get what you're getting. This program is definitely not for you. If you're doubtful, you're afraid, even with my 90-day risk-free money-back guarantee, then this program is not for you. I stake my 30 years of reputation, my $1 million brand, Asia #1 home-based business coach, on this 90-day risk-free money-back guarantee. So take action. I'm so excited to launch this program. It's been on my mind for many years. My objective is to help millions worldwide to live a better life. Of course, it's a business. I'm in it for profit, and I deserve the profit. And I want to use the profit to help feed millions of hungry children, build thousands of wells to provide clean drinking water, support organizations that stop child trafficking, which is a heinous, heartless and evil crime against children. So I look forward to having you in my team, and let's work together to help millions worldwide to live a better life. Take action now. Speak to the person who shared this video with you. Love, learn, leverage and live your dream, and I'll definitely see you at the top. Take care, take action, and God bless you. Bye bye.